What's up, everyone? This is J. Kels. Welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and click subscribe now and click the little bell. Tonight we are cooking Tuscan chicken. We have help this evening. I have all my nieces and my nephews. I have Sir Isaac. I have Master Eli. I have Miss Nyana, Miss London, and last but certainly not least, Miss Noziah Davis. Alrighty, and they will be assisting this evening. Go ahead and mince the garlic. What I like to do is I like to cut the ends off, and then you take your knife and you just smash it, and then you just cut. Very easy.
That's easy.
You can use a chopper as well. If you use the chopper with the garlic to mix it up for you, add a little bit of olive oil with the garlic. I have the kids with me now. I have my nephew, Sir Isaac, here. Say hello, Isaac.
Hello.
Hey. I have my nephew, Master Eli.
Hi.
And I have my beautiful niece here, Miss London.
Hello, humans.
Hello, humans. What we're going to do first, Miss London, she's going to put the apple cider vinegar inside of the chicken.
What are he going to do?
He's going to do the next part. Woo, good job, good job. You got it? You can do it, you can do it. It's the apple cider vinegar. And then, excuse us, Isaac, let Elijah get in a little bit.
Isaac's taller than me.
So we had to elevate Isaac. He wanted to be in the video as well. Elijah's going to go ahead and put the bell peppers and the onion inside. All right. Cover your mouth.
Go wash your hands.
Yeah. So next, we're going to put a little bit of the garlic inside. Do another handful. Not all of it, just a handful. Perfect. We're going to leave a little behind because we're going to put this inside of our cast iron skillet. And Miss London, sprinkle the adobo for me, baby.
There.
All right. We go one by one and see what we need. Go ahead, babe.
Sprinkle all of it.
Just a little bit, just a little bit.
So
You can put all of that.
So 2 times. Done.
All right. And we have the paprika. You can put all of the ginger. You can put all of the paprika too, okay?
Put all of this?
Yeah.
All the paprika?
All the
I'm gonna
paprika.
spread it everywhere. Are you serious, Elijah? Wait.
None of it's going to be on the chicken. Go ahead and just sort of lay your hand across the chicken. We'll give you a new glove. All right, because we want all of that ginger. Mix it for me, Miss London?
Yes.
All right. I should give her a little elbow space.
Elbow space.
This is a good time. You can go ahead and get your cast iron skillet hot because you want it to, we're going to sear this chicken so we can get our cast iron skillet hot now.
What about the onion?
There we go.
Ooh,
Here, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of the adobo. It smells good.
Yes.
All right.
Smell it. Toast? No, smell it.
A little bit more pepper.
I want to smell pepper.
As it mixed, you'll know what you need more of. Mix all of the dry seasoning. We mix the onion and the bell pepper and the garlic inside.
I want to eat it. I want to do something.
We add the tomato. We add the spinach a little bit later.
After we do that, then it's your turn. All right, done.
Perfect. Let me check it out. You know, we have many chefs here. They do a great job. You want to check it out? Check it out. Double check it. Make sure she did it good. Ooh, who tried you, London? He tried you, London.
Good.
That passed the exam?
I always pass the exams.
You always pass the exams? I love it.
Say it's good. Say it before I slap you and I will take my glove. You didn't put enough on this one. Oh, you green.
So next we're going to go ahead and put the chicken on the cast iron. I do want to go ahead and go through the steps with you before I bring the kids in, because I'll be focusing on the kids, so I probably will forget to mention a step to you. So what you're going to see us do next is we're going to go ahead and put the chicken inside of the cast iron skillet. We do have olive oil in it. It's preheated. Again, you want this chicken to be seared on top. It's not necessarily cooking it all the way through, because it will cook through together in the sauce. We sear both sides and you place it aside. I do use like a little pan is what I sit the chicken in, and then after I sear it all, I add the chicken back to the mixture I'm going to have with the heavy cream. We're just going to lay the chicken down. Again, we're just going to get a nice sear on the outside. I will add the slices of the green pepper and the onion to the pan. I did use it before because I use it as like a light marinade with the chicken when we mixed it all together. So we'll just add it to it. This is a nice good one pot meal, one skillet meal. I do, right now, I'm not really eating like carbs. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to cut back. Normally when I cook this meal, I like to cook potatoes with it. But we will not rinse it out any sort of way at all, because you want all the flavor to stay inside. Yes, there we go. And a nice trick I learned from my grandmother. Again, I'm from the South, so like say you're cooking chicken breast or like hash browns in the morning or something like that, and you can't, like the chicken comes out dry, add a little water to the chicken as you're cooking it, and it'll help your chicken stay nice and juicy for you. And when you add the water to your hash browns, that will soften the hash browns up. I had to learn that. I'm like, why can't I get my hash browns to be soft like everyone else? You add a little bit of water. When they're halfway cooked, add water to your hash browns. Hey, Kiara, here, you want to try the meat, Kiara? Yes, my hands are clean. The chicken. Now, what we're going to do from here, you want to try? Oh, that's going to be too hot. Hold on, let me pour the milk in. Now we have all of the chicken ready, and again, you're going to keep the onions and the pepper and the garlic. You're going to keep everything inside of the skillet. And then you can turn your heat down to like low, and you add your heavy cream inside. And once you add the heavy cream, stir your heavy cream around. You don't have to season it anymore because you have the seasoning in the pan already from the chicken that cooked in the pan. That's why I said do not rinse out or wash out the skillet after you cook the chicken. Just add the cream inside of it, because that's the flavor and the juice of the chicken inside of the skillet already. So we have here a mixture of cornstarch and water. All we use this for is to thicken the sauce. I only add a few tablespoons now, and then I'll add more later if I need it.
I eat chicken. My name is Chicken. I eat chicken.
You knew she was gonna say that.
I know. I was just, I had faith in my child for a second.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes inside. You add your tomatoes, and you're just going to layer the chicken back inside of the pan. Lay the chicken back inside of the pan. Okay, and we just add the chicken to the sauce. And while it's simmering, you can go ahead and you also add your spinach. You don't have to use it all. I do like to break my spinach up a little bit. Even though, you know, spinach and collard greens are all together, they shrink as they cook. I add a little and I stir, and then I add more. As it cooks down, I can add more. Again, this is a great time for you to click subscribe, click the bell, click everything. Follow me. I have a lot more videos coming. Sort of layer the spinach in between the chicken, on the bottom of the chicken. You just get in the side of that sauce so it starts to cook down. See, the spinach is cooking down, and it looks like I don't need any more. You can always add more if you like. I like to have a good proportion of everything. So this is actually enough for me. We're going to let it simmer for a good like 10 minutes because the chicken is only half cooked. And this is why I told you to only half cook the chicken, because you're going to let it finish cooking as it's simmering with the sauce so everything can come together as one. Because you want flavor in each bite. That is the goal. Thank you all so much for watching my video. This was a video on how to cook Tuscan chicken in a cast iron skillet. Another one pot meal. Have dinner done in 30 minutes. Only one pan to wash besides the prep. Again, I hate washing dishes, so this is perfect for me. The kids can help cook it, so it's a nice meal to do as a family. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe, click the little bell, and I'll see you next time. Peace.